In this video, I will show you how you can use iMessages on your iPad Air. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just make sure that you are signed into your Apple ID. After you've done that, just tap on Wi-Fi and connect your iPad to your Wi-Fi network, because you will require the internet access to use iMessages. Now after you connect your iPad to your Wi-Fi network, then finally just go back to the main settings page, and at the bottom of the page you will find the option for apps. Just tap on apps, and from this app list just look for the Messages app. Then tap on it, and from here just enable the toggle for iMessages. Sometimes when you open the Messages settings, it might ask you to enter the password of your Apple ID. Just enter your Apple ID and the password of your Apple ID, and after you do that, you will arrive on this page. From here, just enable the toggle for iMessages. Now just wait for a couple of seconds for iMessages to be enabled, and after that, just scroll down and tap on Send and Receive. From here, just make sure you select your Apple ID or your phone number over here. As you can see, we have already selected our Apple ID. Now to use iMessages, just go to your home screen and open Messages, and from here you can either search a contact by their phone number or their name. Now after you select the contact which you want to message, as you can see from here, you can message that contact number using iMessages, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.